Hello. Hello everyone, this is the live stream. So I am going to create a Shopify store using down theme. So this is a professional store where everything will be implemented and there are so many features which I am going to add on it. Hello everyone. So this is the live stream where I am going to create a new store on Shopify. So this is the down theme. I have implemented so many features. So you can see this home page where I have implemented like a announcement bar. We have a marquee and we have this section of text and image. We have a difference where we can actually put the comparison of the images. And another is like a bestseller. We have video and text where you can see we have autoplay video. If we are sliding down, we have text and then button. We have also the information about the owner like image and then text. We have the collection list and then we have the footer. So if we are coming to any of the product, for example this one, so you can see we can have the title, we have the price, we have the stock, I mean the number of products in the stock, the value of actually the quantity, and then we have the add to cart button. We have these thumbnails, and if we are scrolling it down we have FAQs, and you can also see in the bottom we have a sticky add to cart where we can actually click on add to cart and it will actually help us to add the product into the cart, and we are clicking on view cart and then we redirect it to the cart page. So here we have you may also like, and then after we have FAQ page here. So in the bottom we have policy links like refund and privacy policy and terms of service. So all these are here. So let me show you step by step that how you can do it into your store. So firstly I'm going to the home page. So let's start from the beginning. I'm going to the Shopify dashboard. So let me install the theme. So if you don't have any Shopify store, so I have already given the link below in the description. You can click on that and create a new store, and then you can come to this dashboard, and here you should install a down theme. So this is version 15.0.0. so let me click on add. So it will be installing a fresh theme which is down theme. So in the next videos I will also show you that how you can create the store using other themes. So these are free themes and well optimized, because there are a lot of other paid themes where we have multiple features, but in the same time we have a lot of scripts which are unused, and the speed is very slow. So let's install this theme first, and then we will go ahead with the customize part. So here we have the customization part. So you should click on this customize. So right now the situation is something like this. Let me click the preview. So you can see that this is the default structure of our Shopify down theme, and we will be improving this and we will make it like this. Okay. So let's go ahead with step by step. So here is the customize section. So we are going to put the firstly we are going to prepare the announcement bar. So let me copy this text, which is free US shipping over $100. So click on announcement bar, click on welcome to our store. You should add the text and then click on save. Then after we have another thing which is some coding part, but before that we are going to create some structure. So let's add this marquee effect also. So I have already created the code for that. So let me show you. Yeah, marquee with icons. So I will be adding the link below in the description. So you need to just copy and paste this section. So I'm going to copy this complete code, and let's create a new section. You should go to the dashboard again. And here we have the customization part where you need to click on these three dots, click on edit code, and here we need to create a new section. So you should click on sections, click on add a new section, and right here marquee, and then click on done. So you should remove this existing code and paste the new code. Then after click on save, and we already have given the documentation along with that. So we are going to create a Marquee section. We already created attached code, we have pasted, and then after we need to include this code in the footer of the theme. So sorry, not footer. If you want to put it on the top above header, then include section in the body tag. So let me show you what exactly I mean. Right now we are interested to put it just below the header, so we need to go to the dashboard, and here we have layout, we have theme.liquid, and inside of it we have the header section. Let me show you. You should scroll it down, and maybe you can search it here, header. So here you will see that we have content for header, and we need to just put it just above it. Oh sorry, no, scroll it down, and here we will be having the body tag. This is the body tag. Inside of it we have header group. So just below this we are going to put this Marquee section, and then save the changes. So let's refresh this page again. Here we go. Now we have this announcement bar. We have to click on add section, click on Marquee, and here we go. Now you can see that we have this announcement, the sliding announcement. So one more thing is, wait a minute, let me include it right here. Let's see the changes now. Yes, so Marquee text is looking like here. Click on it, click on add text, click on add text, and click on add text. So automatically the text is applying here, and we have the background color also. So if you wanted to change the text, you can see right here, like free shipping maybe, and you can also change the icon here. So maybe you can see here we have return policy. Maybe you can click on that, and automatically this icon is appearing. So in the same way, if you are improving any icon with this, you can change it, and we have the checkbox also. So if you wanted to change the background, so you can also do that. So how we will be adding that background color? So let me pick that background color from here, right click. Here we have the color picker. So you should click here, and let me copy the color name. This is the hex code which I am going to copy. Click on background, paste the color here, and you can see that the color is applied here. Okay, then we have the text size, which we can also reduce. So here you can see that we have the text size, which is around 14 maybe, and we are reducing this height also. So now this is looking more better. Another thing is that we need to manage this specific header. So how we can do that? You should click on header, middle left. So we are interested to put top center. So in that way we are putting the logo in between. And then we have another thing, which is, let me get rid of these selectors, and then we have another thing which is logo. So select logo. So for example, this is the logo which I'm going to apply here, and let me increase this size. Perfect. And now another thing is, you should save the changes and go back to the customize. And what exactly we need to do is, we need to change the font family. So this is typography. Click on change and click here and write here like Roboto, for example. We have multiple other fonts also, but I am interested to put Roboto here. Roboto. Now it is looking better. Okay, click on save. Then after, you should go again here, and let me remove all the other sections. And firstly, I am interested to put a section related to this text and image. So how we can do that? Let me refresh it back. Sorry, this was the one. Let me preview again actually the original theme, which is this one. This is the one. So this is the reference store for now, and we are actually working on this one. Okay, so next thing is adding the image as well as the text. So how we can do that? So we have a section, click on add section, and image with text, click on that. Here we go, and let's put the image first. So for say example, I am putting this image here, maybe this one, and then after we have image with text. So image with text, so this is the image with text. You can make it bold by using select it and then click on B, and then after we have another thing which is this text. Yeah, that is already there. We have the button which is shop best now, so you can replace the shop best now. So let me see if we have that. Yeah, in the capital case, so you can write here shop best now, and you can link any specific collection here. So let me see, that's it. Now we are interested to make it in the center. So how we can do that? We can put it in the middle, we can put it in the center, scroll it down, we can put it overlap. So overlap means this is actually moving on the image, and yeah, that's it. Okay, let's click on save. Yeah, this is how it is looking now, and our original store is also looking like this. So let me remove this, and now it is looking similar. And let me change the background color also. So the background should be here, this one. All right, so now it is looking more similar to this. The next section is differences. So how we can do that? Click on add section, and we have multi-column. Click on that, and then we have differences. Copy this, and we have to put it right here. Maybe we can, yeah, that is good. So later on I will show you like how we can put it in the center, but for now you should just focus on the basic design. Then after we have images, so let me click on this column, select image. This is how it is looking, and this column with this text we don't need. Let's see for the others. Click here, add the third image, and if we are interested to remove this button, so we should click on multi-column and remove this button label. Click on save. So this we have completed. Now we have bestseller. Scroll it down, click on add section. We have to add featured collection, and on the top we have to write bestseller. Best seller, and then we need to choose a collection. So for example this one, but right here, yeah, this one. Okay, but now you can see that the alignment is not good. So click on select and scroll it down, and here we have something related to wait a minute, yeah, portrait. Then after you should scroll down, and we have standard button. So this button will be appearing here like this. We will change the colors later on. That's it. Okay, so this is how we have the bestseller. Just a second. This is the featured collection, this is the bestseller. Make it bold, save the changes, and then we have the another section which is text and video. So I have already written a code for text and video. So wait a minute, video and text. So let me copy this complete section from here and go back to the code, and here we are interested to click on add a new section, and here we need to write video dash text. Click on done. Then after, you should select it and paste that code. Click on save, and you need to refresh this page again so that the video and text will be appearing here. Okay, so scroll it down to the bottom, and here you need to click on add section. You need to search here video. Here you can see video text, and now you can see that we have the text, but on the left we don't have any video. So how we can put the video? So you can go to Pixabay, or maybe Pixabay, or any other free images website. So you can search specific video shopping video, and we need it vertical. So you should click on vertical, scroll it down. For example, this is the video. Sorry, these are the images, videos we need. Yeah, for example, this video I have selected. All right, so let me click on this and let's download it. So I have downloaded, and then after, you should actually upload that video in the from the dashboard. Click on content, click on files, and then click on upload. So here is the video. So once it is uploading, then after we will be adding the video link. But before that, let's remove some text. We don't need image with text here, so we are going to remove this, but we need this text also. So yes, and can you see here buy now button? So we need to click on this button, and we can write here buy now, sorry, in capital case. Now you can see that we have buy now button, but the color is different. So I will show you how we can change the color. So let's see, the image is video is uploaded. So here we go, video is uploaded now. Copy the link. I have copied the link by clicking on this, and then go back and click on this video and text, and here is the video link option. So you should paste it right here, click on this link, and automatically that video will be appearing here. Okay, click on save, and that's it. And you should also link any specific product maybe to this buy now button. So for example, I'm connecting this one. Click on save, scroll it down, and then you can see that we have why we love royalty. So this is also one of the text, I mean image with text. Click on add section. We have this one, rich text. So this is one of the section where we actually put the heading. So for example, this is the heading, and this is the text. So I'm going to copy and then paste it right here, and then we have the button more about us. So click on button, and you can write here more about us, and you can link this button to any collection, or maybe you can link this with your about us page. So for say example, our story. Click on save, and then after, we have another section, meet Amanda. For example, you can put it meet and your name. So and this is also an image and text section. So how we can create that? Click on add section, image with text, and here we need to select the image. So for say example, I am selecting this image maybe. Okay, and then after, you can actually change the text, meet Amanda. Then we have the text. So this is the dummy text which you can add for now. Later on you can actually update it with your text. And then after, shop now button, which is this one. So let me write here shop now. You can connect this with any specific product or maybe collections. And then after you can also see this is in the center. So how we can make it, click on this image with text, click on middle, click on center, so automatically this is in the center. Okay, then click on save, and then we have collections. So go back, click on add section, and we have collection list. You can put this title like collections and make it bold, and then after you can actually select specific collections which you are interested to put it here. So right now I am interested to put only 4 collections, so check one by one like which collection you are interested to put it here. For example, this one. Then we have another one like this. We have another collection, and then we have the 4th collection. Perfect. So all these collections I have added now. Then we have the last thing, which is putting this background color in the bottom, but before that we are going to put the links. So let me show you how you can do that. Go to the footer. Here is the footer. You should click on add block, click on menu, click on add block again, click on menu, click on add block, click on menu, and you can see that we have 3 menus. Click on add block, and now we have 4 menus. And one more thing is that we are not interested to put subscribe to our emails right here. So how we can get rid of this? Click on footer, and you can uncheck this. You can also uncheck this shop, and then after you can also, yeah, all these things are much better now. Okay. One more thing is like how we can for example, this is quick links, and these are follow us. So let me make it follow us, but make them bold. We also need to select this and make it bold. Okay, then after we have policies, so click here, make it bold. Then we have the third thing, which is contact us, and then we can click on quick links and make it bold. Okay, so all these links are there. Now what exactly we are going to put? We can also put the social media icons. So actually go back to this settings and scroll it down, and you will see that we have social media. So actually if you are writing here something, automatically that social media will appear. So you should actually copy and paste all your social media links here in this these checkboxes, and those will be reflecting here. Okay, I'm just adding it as a dummy so that you get to know like how it works. Now another thing is like we need to change all these colors and everything. So how we can do that? I already written a custom CSS which I will be adding the link below. So you just need to copy and paste. So let me show you, like I have created last night, yeah, Shopify store. So this is custom.css. So you should copy this complete CSS, go back to your dashboard, and here we have to go to assets, click on add a new assets, create a blank file, and write here custom, and then click on done, and inside of it you need to paste this code. Okay, I have pasted it. Then click on save, and this CSS you need to include in the theme.liquid. So you need to search here .css. So here you can see we have base.css. You just need to copy this complete line and then paste another line in the next line, and you should remove this base with custom.css, and then click on save. But another thing is like we also need to put a class name in the body. So here you can see we have to open 2 curly braces, and we need to write here template dot name, template dot name. Save the changes. So let me see how it looks now. For example, I am clicking on this preview. Yeah, perfect. Now you can see that we have this top section, We have the bottom in the footer, so that is also looking great. So everything is perfect now. Can you see? Now only thing is that we need to put this in a different color, like white color. So how we can do that? So let me refresh it back. So in the customize section you will find out that everything will be updated now, and yeah, these text is also in the center. We have the button color changed. So right now we are interested to remove this view all. So let me see. Yeah, you can disable this checkbox for now. Click on save, and then you can also see this is also looking better than before, and these are also looking more better, collections and all. So now one more thing is we need to create a schema. So let me show you how you can do that. Yeah, here is the schema. So click on add schema, and you need to put the background color with this one, because this is the background color which we are interested to put, but the text color should be white. All right, and then after you should click save, go to the customize, scroll it down to the bottom, click on footer, and here we need to choose that color schema, which is the new one. Now you can see that the white text is appearing, and in the same way on the top we have the announcement bar, I mean this one, and we also need to change the announcement bar color schema. You should click here, click on schema 6, and automatically that is appearing. Okay, so that's how you can improve this, and you can see that this is also looking beautiful because circular, there are circular corners of this text box and also circular corners of this image, and we have the differences. We have also the bestseller section. Now we actually going to move to the next part, which is the product page. So for example, this is the product page. So what exactly we need? So we are interested to remove this shipping calculated at checkout. So how we can get rid of this? So you should actually go back to the dashboard, click on online store, and we are working on this one. So click on these three dots, click on edit default theme content, and you just need to copy this. Wait a minute. So what you have to do is you should go to this product, for example. So you should copy this complete line, for example, calculated at checkout, and then you should search it here, and in the product you can see that this line is appearing. Actually you should put space and then click on save. So you will see that no more this is appearing here, so automatically that is removed. Okay, so let's go to the customize section again. You should refresh it back, and inside of it that thing is not appearing here. So now another thing is like we have this top vendor name. We need to get rid of this, so you should click on this I button, and then we have yeah, these images are in the below. So how we can make them the sliding? So you should actually click on thumbnail carousel, so automatically those will be appearing like this, and in your mobile view also it will look like the thumbnails will be appearing. Okay, let me show you. So this is how in the mobile view it will look. Okay, so this is beautiful. Let's move ahead with the other things. So click on product information and make it medium, because this image should be medium, so that we must have some space for adding this text. Okay, then click on save. So here we have everything now. All right, and another thing is like stock related stuff. So how we can put it? So we have to click on add block. We have inventory stock, click on that and move it to just below the title. So you can see that we have low stock 4 left, for example. So if we are removing it to 2, so which will be looking like 4 in stock. Okay, click on save. And if you are interested to put any kind of spacing between these two sections, so how you can do? You should click on related products, scroll it down, and here we have top space, bottom space. So you can put some spacing above and below. Another thing is like how we can put the FAQ section above it. So click on add section. We have something related to collapsible content that you should actually move it just move it just above related products, and then after you can put as many collapsible content as possible. All right, and then click on collapsible content, and you should write here FAQs, make it bold, click on it, and container should be row container. So here you can see that this is looking more beautiful now. And you can also put the content. For example, this is first question, and below it you can actually put some text. So let me show you. For example, you are interested to put this text. Let me add it and save the changes. You can see that when you are clicking on it, the text will be appearing. Okay, and one more thing is like you can change the icons here. For example, dairy or any other. If you wanted to put it none of the icons, you can click on none. Okay, but for now we are interested to put it checkbox. Okay, so that's how you can actually put FAQ section. And we have also you may also like and everything. So the final step is we have the FAQ section. Click on it. So we don't have any FAQ right here. So how we can do that? We need to create a template here. So click here, and you need to click, for example, pages. Click on create a template. You need to write here FAQs, create template. You need to get rid of this page. Click on add section, collapsible content, click on it, add more collapsible rows, and then similarly you can put it here FAQs, make it bold, put row container, and that's it. So you wanted to put some space above and below, so that's how you can put it. All right, so this is how you can actually make it work. So let's see in the front end how it looks. So this is looking amazing. If you are going to the home page, you will see that we have this image with the text content, and we have the differences, we have the bestseller, we have the image with the text, we have the image with the text in the bottom, we have the about us section, we have the collections, and then after we have other stuff like footer we have improved. And if we are coming to any of the product page, we can see that we have stock related information, we have the title better than before, add to cart button, and if we are also interested to click on add to cart, so here you can see that we have view cart. Click on view cart, and here we go. Now you can see that we have a checkout button and everything. One more thing is like for example, you are interested to get rid of this taxes and discount and shipping calculated at checkout, so you can go back to this translation, paste it right here, and we have the cart. So you can see somewhere taxes, discounts, and so you should remove this and put space. Click on save, and then refresh it back. You can see that that is no more here, so that is gone. So that's how you can actually improve it into your store. So if you have any problem or something, you can directly ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. This was super simple. So in the coming one more thing I left, that is related to sticky add to cart. So if we are going to the product page, so how we can add the sticky add to cart? So actually I have written a blog post in my website. Click on blog. We have this first article which is related to sticky add to cart. So you need to create a new section, sticky ATC. So go back to the coding part, yes, and then you should click on sections, add a new section, paste the name of that section, sticky add to cart, and then click on create. And here you need to copy this complete code, and then you need to remove this existing code and paste the new code. Click on save. Scroll it down, and here in the bottom you will find this line. So you need to copy this line just above the footer section, below the footer section. So let me show you how you can do that. So actually we have to click on layout, click on theme.liquid, and here you need to search footer. So you can see we have section footer group. Just below it we are going to put sticky add to cart. So let me refresh it back now, scroll it down. You can see that now we have sticky add to cart appearing. So we have the variant option, we have the quantity, and we have the add to cart. So that's how you can actually do it into your store. This is super simple and easy. So if you want, you can do all this stuff into your store. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. If you have any new feature to develop or something, so you can directly contact me. I will help you in creating all that stuff. So tomorrow I will create some more features, and maybe I will also create a live session again to show you some more functionalities, that how you can add it into your store by just copy and pasting the code. So this is super simple. So let me know if you are facing any issue. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video. So one more thing is, like, if you are new, then you can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So I put the content over there. So you will also have the update of all the new content which I am publishing on daily basis. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next coming session.